Hey kids, it's Ian here with B3 Strength and Performance, and we've got another great read aloud for you today. But you know what we always do? We gotta get our snack together first. And I already did it. I wanna see, can you see this? Okay, so let me tell you what I put in here. Super simple and super good for you. I have craisins, which I absolutely love craisins, almonds, and then a little something special for me. I put some of my daughter's her little pretzel crackers. What are those called? The little fishies? Yeah, they're in there too. Some good stuff. But let's take a look at what we're going to read today. We're going to read Don't Push the Button. Love this book. Don't push the button! You're going to like this book too. And I am set up right now in my spaceship getting ready to read about aliens. I hope that you're ready to read about aliens too. Here we go. Wish me luck. Don't push the button. Written and illustrated by Bill Cotter.
Hi, my name's Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Yeah! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Push it twice. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Push, push, push. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost. A little more. Okay. There we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. That tickles. Oh, okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes.